Hello, welcome back to my channel. Happy 2022. It is the new year and I'm so excited for a fresh start with so many things. I just got to the gym. That's a whole other thing I need to talk to you guys about. I'm gonna give you a life update later on in the video, so stay tuned for that. I'm gonna talk about my resolutions, things I want to do differently on YouTube this year. I just got gas and got a Celsius. I pulled into the gas station with 1 mile left in my car and I really thought I wasn't gonna make it to the gas station. I just don't ever get gas when I need to. I always think I can make it and one day it's just gonna come back to bite me in the butt. Anyway, I'm at the gym. I'm meeting my friend Kenna and her friend Macy here, who has also become my friend. I have a water, Celsius. These are like middle schoolers sitting in front of my car talking about... Okay, these kids were like standing in front of my car talking about weird things that I honestly would probably get demonetized for repeating. And they look way too young to be talking about those things, but I had to give some context. Okay, back to the vlog. During this break, I got a gym membership. There's a bunch of crap in the back of my car and I need to get that. I ordered a barbell pad off Amazon. I was at Claire's house for New Year's Eve last night. I spent the night there and I got a little bit of footage. It was mostly my friends vlogging, so I'll insert videos here. Happy New Year! New Year. Here's my fit.
I got in a car crash yesterday and it wasn't my fault, but it'll go down as my fault because I hit the guy. Yeah. Okay, in context here, I have a Hummer and it has these towing hooks on the front of it. If you can see that. All right, so I have these like hooks on it, and then they went into the back of this guy's car. Oh, there you go, there you go. There's the other side of it. This guy like slammed on his brakes. He was not mad at me though. He's like, dude, it happens. It was pouring rain, by the way, and my car doesn't stop. No, he wasn't mad at all because he's like, my parents are just gonna handle it anyways. I was like, all right, sick. And it could have been so much worse, but I'm like alert. So I like saw it. And so I hit him, oh my gosh. And then another guy hit the back of my car, but he ran away. Tough scene there. And now there's like a scratch on the back of my car from him. Anyways, yeah, that was my car crash.
What's up guys, Sauce is taking over. So, we're here today at the New Year's Eve party. This is Blake. He was my catcher last year. I love him.
Welcome to 2022. Went to cheer today for 4.5 hours. Macy thinks I'm talking crap on her, but I probably would not have made it through the year if I didn't have Macy. She's really great.
Oh, that was sweet.
We are at the function.
That was just Christmas.
It's a bit chaotic.
Merry Krispy Kreme.
Guys, we straightened Matt's hair. Oh my god, look at this man.
New year, new Matt.
Oh my god.
Oh, Lord Farquaad.
My hair's so long.
We had a fun night and now it's time to get after it. Hello guys, update. It is the next day. It's the next morning. I just finished getting ready. It's 11 o'clock a.m. and I have to leave in a little bit, but I wanted to take this time and sit down and give you guys like a life update and tell you what you've missed while I've been away from vlogging for like 10 days. Or I don't even know how long it's been by the time I upload this video. Last night after I got back from Chipotle, as you saw, I took a shower. I did my laundry. It's all sitting right here. I need to fold this and more later today, which you will see. And then I just watched a bunch of TV. I'm in the middle of watching Emily in Paris, which I really like because I want to go into marketing. It's super cheesy and very predictable, but I love shows like that. So I was just relaxing basically all day yesterday, which I didn't really, I shouldn't have done that. I should have done other things, but I knew I would have the time today, so I just pushed it off. It's obviously 2022. It's a new year, new month, new week when you're watching this video. First week of the year. So a lot of people obviously make New Year's resolutions or goals for the year. Some people like to call them aspirations. I just call them New Year's resolutions, and most of the time I already know like I'm probably gonna have a hard time sticking with this, or I'm just gonna do my best, and it's not gonna be me like trying to meet this specific goal. It's just me trying my best to attain this as much as possible. So for my New Year's resolutions this year, I want to go to the gym at least 3 times per week, preferably more, because I do cheer for school, but it's in the morning and we really don't like move our bodies a lot. I love it, but I just feel like I don't get the amount of physical activity out of it that I want to. So I want to go to the gym during the week as much as I can. I will also talk about that in just a second because I recently got a gym membership, as I was talking about. So piggybacking off of that, I want to try my best to like stick to 80-20 eating. So that means like eating really healthy 80% of the time, and then 20% of the time just eating whatever I want, or desserts, things like that. I want to end the semester with all A's, both semesters technically that'll be in this year. Last semester of my junior year and first semester of my senior year. And I don't know if that's going to be possible for me in math because I still don't have my math final grade back, which is insane. And hopefully by the time this video goes up, school has started. I should have my grade back by then, but it says it's graded. The instructor just hasn't posted the grade. So hopefully they'll send out like report cards and I will finally have my grade, because I've been on the edge of my seat like, am I gonna pass this class? I mean, I'm gonna pass the class. There's no way I would have done that poorly on the final, but I'm definitely not ending with an A in that class, so I don't have high hopes for myself second semester. I want to at least just keep my B hopefully this year, or from last semester. The next thing I want to do is read my Bible, or do like a plan on the Bible app, and read a book for 10 minutes every night before bed. So I guess that's 20 minutes, 10 minutes of each, but I figure it'll be easier if I build it into my night routine and can make it a habit, so I just get into bed and pick up my Bible or pick up a book right before I go to bed. And then the last thing I want to do is be consistent with my skincare routine every night, because sometimes I get lazy and I go to bed with my makeup on, and then I wake up the next morning and my face is crusty and disgusting, and I don't want that. So those are my resolutions. It's really nothing crazy. I just want to continue healthy habits and things like that to just hopefully better myself and be healthy in all aspects of my life, like spiritual, physical, emotional, all that kind of stuff. So the next thing I want to talk about is a little life update. So I recently became a gym girl. No, I'm just kidding. I would not consider myself a gym girl yet, because I literally got my membership like the day after Christmas. I started going with my brother before Christmas because he got back from college and he wanted just a membership for the month so he could go and not have to lose progress, I guess, because he was lifting a lot at college. But I really liked that gym, so I got my own membership, and I've been going with a bunch of my friends recently. As you saw yesterday, they have a lot of classes. It's a really great gym. I really like it, and I've learned a lot because I did not lift a single weight before, like a couple weeks ago, and now I used to do like a lot of just light weight exercises or body weight exercises, because that started in quarantine is when I started to learn about like working out and all that kind of stuff. Anyway, I have loved it so much. I feel so good after I work out, and I feel like during quarantine last year I was close to a very not eating disorder. I shouldn't say that, because it really wasn't. It was just like a very extreme obsession with working out, and it was to the point where it translated into my nutrition, and I just was not eating enough food because I was always tired. I can only have one dessert today. Which is like, it's good for you to be in tune with what you're eating and what you're putting in your body, but I feel like it got a little past point. Like, I was working out for the way I looked, and now I feel like I'm working out for the way I feel. I feel so much better after workout, and I feel like it's just at a much healthier place now. So I'm really excited to incorporate that in my vlogs and just start taking better care of myself, because I kind of stopped working out for like a month. Hello? That was my mom. So that's that on that. What else? I think not much else to update you guys on. I went ice skating over break, which was really fun. I hung out with my friends a lot. I babysat a lot. It was a really, really great break. I'm obviously very sad for it to be over soon, but I had a lot of fun. It was so nice to relax and not have to worry about school. And now we look forward to summer. And we have winter formal, we have prom this semester. I finally get to go to prom because I'm a junior. Lots of exciting things. So stay tuned for all that in the new year. Right now I'm going to get coffee with my friend Rennie because we all start school soon. She's in college. And Kenna, who you saw yesterday. It's really fun because we can all be together, because those are all my friends that went to my old school, so they live farther away, but now I have the time to drive down and see them, so I'm excited about that. And then me and Kenna are going to the gym again. So I have all my stuff for the gym in here, so I will see you at coffee. I'm so excited. The place we're going to, the cameras has a thing, makes the greatest chai lattes. Okay, we made it. I got a chai.
Got this.
What is it?
I don't remember. It's an iced oat milk latte.
This is Rennie. I don't know if you guys remember. I think we were definitely in other vlogs, like long times ago.
When we were in high school together.
Yeah, when we were in high school. Oh, that's so sad. Because we're not anymore. And you know Kenna. Kenna's here too, of course. Okay, we're just leaving. I'm going back to Kenna's house to change, but I'm kind of worried that I'm gonna have a parking ticket because I totally forgot to pay. I'm terrified. We're good. I made it. It's no ticket. Okay, like I said, I'm going to Kenna's house to change, but I have to leave quick because these people are waiting for my spot. Update. This is Macy's moment, finally. Workout complete. We didn't do that much. My arms are like shaking though. We did. What did we do, Macy? You're a terrible person.
Your whole camera roll is exposed.
Kenna, get that out of here. We'll talk to you soon. I have to drive Macy home. Hi guys, update. It is much later, it's almost 10:30. I have to whisper because my family's sleeping upstairs, or maybe not, I hear footsteps. Let me give you a little rundown on what you've missed. So this is like balancing on the couch. So there's a good chance I could fall backwards, but I'm too nervous. So obviously after I went to the gym, I took Macy home, I dropped her off, and now I am back home, and I've been back home for quite some time. My uncle is in town, he is also sleeping upstairs, so that's why I have to be quiet. The dishwasher's running though, which is not quiet at all. I also look pale as a ghost right now because there's no light in this room, but there's light from the kitchen. Basically, basically ever since I got home I was just spending time with my family. We had spaghetti for dinner. My mom made her like famous recipe. It was so good. It was so nice to relax and just like have family time. Anyway, now it is time for me to get grinding. I'm going to sleep in tomorrow. I was gonna go to the gym in the morning, but I decided I'm gonna go later in the day because my friends are going later and obviously it's way more fun to not go alone. So that way I can also sleep in. Tomorrow is not a super crazy day. I have a dentist appointment in the afternoon and then I have to go shoot something at school for our student section content. We get to cheer at all the home games. So stay tuned for those vlogs. I'm about to make myself some tea and then I'm gonna go upstairs and just like get going on cleaning everything in my room. I'm gonna do all my laundry, like clean off all the surfaces in the bathroom, put new sheets on my bed, just reset my room, get everything ready for this week for school. Tomorrow is Monday, but I have a day off. I think it's like teacher prep and a travel day, which is nice. I need to pick a podcast. This lighting is crazy until it adjusts. So I will talk to you when I'm about to go to bed. I have a lot of cleaning to do. Actually, I won't talk to you then. I'm gonna show you the disaster that is my bedroom. Okay, this is all the stuff I need to fold. Like I told you, it's a lot. It's gross. I need to put sheets on the bed and then figure out what is going on here. I want to get it all nice and clean. So we're gonna do some like ASMR cleaning and go to bed. So I will see you in a little bit. Alright, that's it for this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm holding my hand over the light because of the glare, but I hope you guys enjoyed. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Stay tuned for bloopers at the end. Give this video a thumbs up and go follow me on TikTok if you haven't already because I'm finally posting like influencer-y stuff on there instead of just watching other people's videos. Okay, bye.
Oh my god, Katie, how do I get it to focus?
I straightened my hair this morning and it's like keeps falling into my face because these pieces just don't know where to go.
Oh, transition.
Nice. I'm gonna need to turn this off.
You're like,
What did you do to the bear? We should do the baby mama dance.